If you overthink everything, you're not broken. There are actually a few rare traits that usually come with it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the 7 signs you have them, and more importantly, how to use them instead of letting them use you. Overthinking gets a bad reputation. People say things like, just stop thinking so much. But if it were that easy, you would have already done it. The truth is, overthinking isn't just a problem. It's often a mismanaged strength. Because behind it, it's usually a sharp mind, strong awareness, and the ability to see what others miss. Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my channel, where I focus on communication, leadership, and professional development. I've been helping people build career skills for almost 20 years through my training business, Courses for Success. And what I've seen time and time again is this: the people who overthink the most are often the ones with the most potential. They just haven't learned how to direct it yet. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 key skills that will help you manage overthinking, so you can be sharp without getting stuck in your own head. The first section, I want to talk about the 7 rare traits. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is high self-awareness. You constantly reflect on your thoughts, actions, and behavior. 2 is emotional intelligence. You pick up on subtle changes in people's tone, mood, and body language. 3, future-focused thinking. You naturally think ahead and consider multiple outcomes. 4, deep thinking ability. You don't just skim the surface, you analyze things in detail. 5, high standards. You want to get things right, not just done. Number 6, creativity and imagination. Your mind doesn't switch off easily. It explores ideas constantly. Number 7, risk awareness. You're good at spotting potential problems before they happen. Now, these are all strengths, but without control, they turn into hesitation, stress, and indecision. That's where the next part comes in. I've got 5 key skills that you need to learn. Skill number 1, you need to set decision deadlines. Overthinkers struggle most with decisions. So instead of thinking until you feel ready, you give yourself a time limit. For example, I'll think about this for 10 minutes and then I'll decide. This forces action and stops endless loops. Skill 2, separate thinking from doing. Overthinking happens when you try to plan and act at the same time. Instead, split them. Example, plan your day in the morning and execute during the day without constantly re-evaluating. Number 3, focus on the next step only. Overthinkers try to solve everything at once, but progress doesn't work like that. Example, instead of how will this whole project turn out, ask what's the next step I need to take. That keeps you moving forward. Skill 4, challenge your worst case scenarios. Your brain is great at spotting risks, but exaggerates them. So question it. For example, what's the actual likelihood of this going wrong? If it does, what would I realistically do? This brings you back to reality. And number 5, turn reflection into learning, not criticism. Overthinkers replay situations, but often in a negative way. Instead, turn it into a learning process. For example, after a conversation, ask, what went well? What would I do differently next time? And then move on. So here's an action plan. Step 1 is to pick one decision today. Give yourself a 10-minute deadline, which relates to skill 1. Step 2, write down the next step only. Ignore the bigger picture for now. Step 3, take action without thinking about it. Separate thinking from doing. Step 4, if you feel stuck, challenge the fear and reality check your worst case scenario. And 5, at the end of the day, you need to reflect on what happened. Learn, don't criticize. If you do this for just a few days, you'll notice something powerful. You're still thinking deeply, but you're also moving forward. In conclusion, overthinking isn't something you need to eliminate. It's something that you need to manage. Because those 7 traits, awareness, intelligence, creativity, they're not weaknesses. They're advantages. And when you know how to use them, you will be on the right track. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to take this further, I've got a free course below. Please see the links, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.